Our Natural History Museum by the otter display. What's the otter's name, Antonio?
Lucy.
And Lucy
Here she
is
comes.
coming in for a swim.
Here she
There
comes.
she comes. There she is. Come on over this way, Lucy. Come say hello.
Look at all those bubbles.
She is making lots of bubbles, isn't she?
She's like a...
Look at her flipping around.
She's like a car.
She's flipping around. Hello,
She's
Lucy.
almost like a car making smoke.
She makes a lot of bubbles.
When she goes down in these...
Oh my goodness.
She did a somersault.
Hi, Luce.
Wow.
Hi, Lucy.
There's that.
What's she digging for? She found something to eat, I think.
She...
I don't know.
It's a pebble.
She's just chewing on a pebble?